Count the red dots. There are dozens of them, maybe more, and every single one is a place on Earth that is on fire right now. Each one of those red pixels wasn't drawn by a person. It was flagged automatically by a sensor called VIIRS, flying aboard a satellite about 800 kilometers above you. It detects heat, not warm ground, not a sunlit rock face, actual combustion, hot enough to register from orbit. And in a single 24-hour pass over the western part of North America, it found fires from British Columbia all the way down toward Baja. The question isn't where the fires are, the question is, what's between them? Look up here in the upper left part of the image, that cluster of large red blotches. Those are fires burning in British Columbia, but notice what's coming off them. Those long, pale grey streaks drifting south and east. That's smoke. It doesn't stay where the fire is. It moves. By the time that plume travels 500 kilometers, nobody on the ground can tell which fire it came from. It all blends into a regional haze that can push air quality warnings across 3 or 4 states at once. Now look at the upper center and left center portions of the image. That brownish-gray veil sitting over the interior, that's not cloud cover. Clouds are white and sharp-edged. This is smoke, and it's thick enough to mute the whole landscape underneath it. The mountains, the valleys, the high desert, all of it washed out. VIIRS can still find fires under there, those small red dots scattered through the haze. But from the ground, those communities are breathing air that has traveled from fires they'll never see. The smoke and the fire aren't even in the same place anymore. One satellite pass, one day, dozens of fires burning simultaneously across a stretch of land roughly the width of Europe. And the part that's hard to sit with, the smoke covering the middle of this image is probably drifting over someone right now who has no idea which of those red dots is responsible. Does the fire feel closer when you can put a dot on it, or further? We'll be back tomorrow with whatever the data shows next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.